Hello everybody, this is Rob. Today I want to do a video on the new Slate Digital Seismic 2 sample pack that just dropped, I think yesterday or the day before. And I have an announcement about this channel and its future. It's kind of exciting, so stick around toward the end after we go through this. And so I put together this beat right here, and so what I want to do is just kind of review what I've put in here and then show the sample pack real quick. In fact, let me show the sample pack. Starts off, you've got some loops in here. Here's your bonus. You've got some bass in here. So you can play around with that. And then you've got your full loops, and they vary from in style. So, but as you can hear, they're very high quality. Let's go through the percussion here. And some hats. I just really like what I'm hearing with just about every one of these Slate. In fact, let me show you that right now. Here's all the should you choose to subscribe, and you can get a trial period too. I don't know if you get to keep the sample packs. They probably let you keep all these sample libraries if you do the 30-day trial, because they've at one time given away all of these sample libraries for free. All right. And so what I've done is put together this track, and I've got a kick drum loop in here. This kind of little song idea. So I've got the kick drum loop. Nice punchy kick. I put a hat loop in there. Took off a little bit of the highs on that one. And these are all seismic, all the way down to here. Then I've added some samples from the other libraries to complete the track. All right. An off hat that has kind of a swing value to it. Little percussion loop there, sounds really nice. And then a clap loop. Listen to that in isolation here. What I did with that one, let's see, this one here, is I put a kind of like a roomy preset on there. Kind of glue it to the rest of the track. All right, then over here I've got kind of like some effects. And a little riser here, crash. Of course, I've got some reverb on these, kind of a big reverb. All right, so what you end up with is so I threw together this loop in probably a half an hour, and then I played around with some other samples here. And let me unmute all of these. These are from the other sample packs. it was kind of fun putting together this track, and it just shows the quality of the samples that you get from Slate Digital. And I would highly recommend at least doing that 30-day trial and checking out everything that they offer. You can get it for $9.99 a month right now, and this is not a paid promotion. I just really think it's worthwhile for all producers to have. So anyways, what I've done here is on this midnight, I put an LFO tool on here, kind of brought out the highs on the side. This sounds like this. And then I have another one on here that cuts the side information on the low end. All right. And then this one here from midnight also is kind of a... and I've got to kind of emphasize the side information on that one. So you have... this axe is the rhythm, kind of a rhythm funky guitar. It doesn't really work that well with the track, but I kind of blended it in as best I could, put a big reverb on it, then a little even more atmosphere, made it wide in the mix. All right, and then the next sample from the Axe library, and that is an excellent library. Check out my old other videos where I cover that one. And this one I really like. This is from Vibrations, and you can hear it's basically a drone in D minor. And then I got a vocal chop. I obviously have an LFO tool on there, and I want to get rid of some of this low garbage in here. Let's go with this one here. All right. So I put a big delay with a lot of feedback on it, and then sent it to the atmospheric reverb, which is this one here. All right, so at this point in the track, you have this going on. Then what I did there is it was a high pass sweep to kind of filter away the lows for the introduction of the guitar parts and the synth part. So anyways, this was just kind of a catch-all video. I just wanted to alert those out there who do subscribe to Slate that is definitely available. A new sample library has dropped, and kind of wanted to share a few techniques. And I do this every once in a while because it's a lot of fun to just throw a track together and see if you can come up with something that works, and it helps with my workflow. And what it also does, it shows what they've done to these samples to make them fit well into the mix. And it's a learning experience for me. It's really quite fun because everything seems to kind of fit, and then I do a little EQing and then stereo treatment, and I come up with something that sounds halfway decent, and it's just today's practice, right? I probably spent a couple hours on this. Well, anyways, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, hit that like button, and if you want to be notified for the next one, hit subscribe. And I apologize for being kind of absent for a while. I've got other things going on that I'm working on for this channel. One of the things that I've done is that I don't know how many of you out there know who Casey Neistat is. He is a YouTuber, and he does vlogging, and I originally had planned to do some vlogging with this channel, but I never got around to it because, quite frankly, I didn't know how to do it. He came out with a monthly class, and I've been taking that, and there's 2 video projects that are assigned, and I've completed one, and I'm going to be posting that probably sometime this week. So if you want to, it's a straight vlog. It's completely off the subject. I don't want to offend anybody out there, but I just want to get out there and do other creative things that will inspire new music, or that new music can be used in. And I used original music in this first video, kind of vloggy video, and it was all Slate digital sample libraries. And so you might want to check that out. It's coming out this week. I'm going to post it on this channel. Anyways, everybody out there have a good one. Thank you.